Mr. Zian Nigam. So you are on day 4 of Young CEO program. And today, Mr. Zian Nigam is going to pitch his idea to the investors, right?
Yeah.
So may I know, what are you going to pitch? What is your business plan?
Our company's name is the Pet Palace. The rise in stress, anxiety, and depression has been very significant nowadays. People have been sad. They haven't been able to find the perfect companions. Relationships are fragile and they're breaking in a blink. That's why we are offering the Pet Palace, where you can find your little furry companion who will be with you forever and will support you with unconditional love and loyalty.
Okay, and no doubt there is lack of emotions and companionship in today's world because the stress levels are rising, the depression cases are rising, people are becoming lonelier and lonelier. And due to that, animals, especially pet animals, also work as therapy. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely.
So, therapy animals, can you tell about therapy animals?
Therapy animals are used in hospitals where the environment is already filled with stress and anxiety. They act as companions, they act as emotional support to patients who have been going through a lot. They act as the fairy companions who will support them no matter what, which significantly has been a very positive change in today's world.
So, it reflects into their physical health also. So the therapy reflects into their physical health and physically they become healthier and fitter, right?
Yeah.
When they receive unconditional love.
Yeah.
All right. Also, tell us more about the kind of animals that you have at the Pet Palace.
We have all kinds of animals, and I have huge variety of it. We have the smallest, cutest, furriest dogs, and even the most proactive and strong dogs who will guard you no matter what the challenge is. We are supporting all kinds of pets, except birds, because we believe that birds don't need to be in a cage. They need to be clean.
Wow.
Dogs and cats have been very helpful to humans, and now it's our time that we give them back. We support them with a home and give them the love that they deserve.
Wow.
Well, we have decided to keep after sale services and also keep special discounts for newly made pet parents.
All right. Okay, fine. So, as you said, that those animals that need a family, that need a home, you have all those animals. And those animals that are happier in the wild, you
They should be free.
they should be free.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Also, when it comes to animals, what we have seen is that animals do not discriminate. Am I right?
Absolutely. It doesn't matter if you're sitting in a BMW or a public transport. It doesn't matter if you're wearing a branded dress or just a normal shorts and t-shirt. They'll support you with unconditional love throughout. Because they are not just your life. They are the everything that comes around us. These animals may just be a part of a human being's life. But for them, you are their end. That's why they never discriminate in that.
They only want love and they only want to give love,
Yes.
irrespective of who you are or how you are, right?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Zia Nigam, so all the best for your investor pitch and wish you all the luck in the world.
Thank you.
Bye.